In this video, we are unboxing the Asus RX 6750 XT. This is an AMD GPU and I recently bought it for my secondary machine, and in this video we are going to be unboxing it and we'll have a look at how this card comes packaged. So right around the box we have a few things that are mentioned. It says 1440 QHD gaming, 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, PCI Express 4, and this is an Asus OC Edition 2. At the back, I don't think there is something very interesting. It says axial fan tech design, and we have a backplate, dual BIOS, and there is some included software too. So we are going to check out each and everything here. But before that, let's get into the box. So there we go. We have a brand new card here. And it looks like Asus has used some different sort of packaging here to pack the card. So you need to, I guess, I haven't seen a packaging like this. Unpack steps. Okay, so here are the unpack steps. So I need to just get this up and let's get everything off. So I need to get this off like this, and then I'll need to, I guess, get this packaging off. Yeah, so this is really interesting. I haven't seen a packaging like this. And then I guess you're required to just take the card off like that, I guess. Yeah, so there we have our graphic card itself. It uses dual 8-pin power and the heatsink looks good already. It is a really big heatsink for the sort of card this is. Yeah, a very beautiful looking aluminium backplate too. Looks really nice. So this card is equivalent in performance to an RTX 3070 and sometimes get close to RTX 3070 Ti too in some games. I will be testing all that in the upcoming video. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and if you have any questions or queries relating to this product or maybe some other query too, you can feel free to mention them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video.